In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. Custom objects offer powerful capabilities for tailoring your HubSpot CRM to fit the unique needs of your business. By the end of this video, you'll be proficient at setting up these custom objects, allowing you to enhance your data management and streamline your processes. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create custom objects, or you may need a little help from your admin team. Once logged in, navigate to Settings in your HubSpot dashboard. You'll see a few options laid out before you, but we want to focus on Objects. Slide your cursor over to Custom Objects. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Custom Objects section, look for the option that says Create Custom Object. If this is your first foray into creating one, it might say Create a Custom Object instead. A simple click here will get us started on our creation journey. Now, here's where you get to be creative yet precise. It's time to name and describe your object. Choose a name that clearly outlines what your custom object will represent in your CRM. Your description should provide enough insight for someone else to understand its purpose and usage in a glance. This will become part of your organization's data architecture, so choose wisely. Next, let's configure the primary and secondary properties. These are the attributes that will define how your records are displayed and, in essence, how they function within HubSpot. Consider the main identifiers that will be crucial for your team and select them accordingly. After configuring these, you simply click Create. This step essentially brings your custom object to life within HubSpot, generating a blank canvas for you to mold as per your business requirements. The following step involves some customization to make sure it fits your needs perfectly. Head over to the Setup tab. In this section, you'll find an option to customize the Create Object form. Select it to tailor the form that will be used for creating new entries in your custom object. To make this object work specifically for your needs, click on Add Properties. Here, you can define the custom fields that suit your business requirements. Whether you need text fields, numbers, or dates, HubSpot will accommodate your choices with flexibility. To wrap things up, select the objects you want to associate with and click Save. This step gently stitches your custom object into the broader fabric of your CRM, ensuring that it's integrated seamlessly with your existing data structures. Thank you for sticking with me through this process. With your new custom object set up in HubSpot, you're now well on your way to leveraging more advanced CRM capabilities. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy customizing, and I'll see you in the next video.